Hi guys, welcome to Jakpa Gist with IBK. I said this is Jakpa Gist with IBK. So this is a rush time and I want to talk about app that I make money from in diaspora. If you're not in diaspora, this app will not work for you. You have to be in diaspora. And if you're in diaspora, you need to check your location, you need to check your region if this app are working in your region. So I'm in my region and these are the app I use in making money. And I use Grubhub. You need to have a car. This app, you must have a car. If you don't have a car, don't come to my comment section. Don't comment. It's only people that have car and you're in diaspora. Yes, you could use Grubhub and Grubhub Uber. Grubhub Uber Eats. Yeah, or falls in that category. You could use that. Another app I will talk about is Amazon Prime. Download Amazon Prime, and most of the whole Whole Food stores use the Amazon Prime. Download Amazon Prime, and I have a lot of friends that use Amazon Prime. They make a lot of money from Amazon Prime. So if you forget the number one, I say Grubhub, Uber Eats, Uber. My friends make money from there. I use Grubhub personally. Yeah. So Amazon Prime next of the app is DoorDash. DoorDash app is a food delivery app. You could make money from DoorDash app. Next is Spark Drivers. Spark Driver. I just registered with Spark Drivers right now, and I want to test it and see how interesting, because I've heard a lot of testimony from the Spark Drivers how that platform is working. So I have just registered and downloaded Spark Driver. So watch me on my next video when I give a review of how that platform is. Next is Ship, SHIPT, Ship Driver. Yeah, you hear me. So I'm new to Ship, being a Ship driver, and I'm still in my registration phase, but someone recommended me to Ship, and the person has been cashing out from Ship, and I learned that the amount they pay on Ship is quite higher than the average delivery app. Next is Jitsu Driver, JITSU Driver, JITSU Driver. Yes, that's another one being used by a friend of mine, and she is cashing out seriously from JITSU, Jitsu Driver. Next I have is Delivery, or delivery.com. Delivery.com. So delivery.com also is also a food delivery app, and they look for cars that are very spacious, before you're being collected to use that platform. And a lot of people that uses that platform have given several testimony. So if you are that energetic person, delivery.com is for you. And when I have deliver that also an app. So I recently registered for deliver that deals basically on wholesale, food from restaurants that are in bulk wholesale. You deliver through your car, you get to the location on time, you set the table, you put all the food in this table, you take a picture of it, the restaurants will sign off, as in it's basically for offices, for parties. That's where they use deliver that. So it's quite interesting. So me, because I am a very adventurous person, finding my way doing that within the next few days. And another app is GoShare. So these are apps that I am working on, and they are quite interesting, getting to understand, me being a business analyst. There's a lot going on in my mind when I'm registering for these different side hustle hub. I call them the side hustle hub, because I just want to know what is in the mind of the developers when they made those platforms. I want to experience what they have in their brain, you know, it's quite interesting having different platforms, and they all have their uniqueness. So it's quite interesting. So next, it is the flash drivers. So being a flash driver is quite I would say it's quite interesting. There is money in all this app. The only thing I just see in it is that your ability to be diligent with the app, for you to be consistent with the app, or here will determine how much you're going to earn from the app. You just cannot start one today and stop using it, you know, off and on like that. So your consistency matters in terms of using this app to make money. So we have another one called the Zifty drivers, Zifty drivers. So when you use Zifty drivers, oh god, you're gonna cash out. I have a friend that has been using Zifty Zip driver, that's been using Zip for a very long time now, and he has given me a lowdown of how beneficial that app has been over the years. So for you looking for an app to do a side, also ensure you have a car, you have insurance, you have a driver's license, ensure you are safe, make sure you read the rules and regulation of the apps you're about to use in your site also. And also check on your region if this app are applicable to your region, because it's not in all states, it's not in all countries. So check to ensure that, yeah, this particular app is being used in your own state. So I would say another app, but this one you don't need a car. It's something that you could use from your house. You can use those apps from your house to do your site also. It's Canvas. So there's Canvas. Canvas is a app that you could use to create logo, to create t-shirt, to create tumbler, to create banner. You could use Canvas for a lot of things. So your ability to create logo, banner, tumblers, and market those stuffs in different platforms like Fiverr, Market Some, and different places. So, and also you could use Canvas to customize your t-shirt, you could use it to customize your stock, and you know, now is the Xmas season, and you do a lot of cloth printing, you do a lot of customizing of t-shirts, Xmas t-shirt, Thanksgiving t-shirt. Canva is the way to go. Canva is the way to go. And you could also market your product on Fiverr also. So guys, print on demand is on the eye right now, so I will encourage you to go into print on demand using Canvas, and my link, my referral link will be on this video. So please like and subscribe, share to your loved ones, your well wishers, to all well wishers. And if you need consultation on how to use this app, or you want to talk to somebody about the different app I talk about, you could send me a DM and I will be with you in a jiffy. Like and subscribe and share. Thank you.